In this video, I will show you how you can hide apps on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Face ID and Passcode. And from here, just make sure that you have set up the lock screen passcode on your iPhone. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the app icon which you want to hide. Now let's say if we want to hide this app, just tap and hold on the app icon and select Require Face ID. And over here you will find the option for Hide and Require Face ID. Now just tap on it, then scan your face using Face ID, or you can just enter the lock screen passcode. Now just tap on Hide App, and after you do that, the selected app will be hidden from your iPhone. Just like that. Now to find the hidden app on your iPhone, just open the app library, and over here you will find a folder called Hidden. Now just tap on it. Now since we have enabled Face ID on our iPhone, it is saying require Face ID over here. But if you are just using the passcode on your iPhone, it will say require passcode. Now just tap on require Face ID, and after you do that, you will find all the hidden apps on your iPhone in this folder. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.